Basically guys, we were going to do the brake discs and pads today, but we've run into an issue. The retaining screws that hold the brake discs on seized on.
This time we have a tool required to get the seized screws off of the brake discs. So as you know, first thing you got to do, crack your wheel nuts, jack your car up, get your wheel off. So last time we tried to do the brake discs, the retaining screws were seized. So I went on eBay, bought this bad boy. It's an impact screwdriver. Basically, you get your bit in it. For this one, it's just a PH2, just a big PH2. So with this tool, basically, all you want to do, push it in your seized screw head, push down on it, twist, then as you're hammering, twist the screw out. And then, voila! So now we've got our seized in brake disc screws out, which is a relief. You've got these two 18mm retaining bolts that hold the caliper to the brakes. So now you've got your brake caliper off by doing the two 18mm bolts. Now it's time to get your brake disc off. So if it's stuck on, just get a hammer, just give it a tap from the back. And there she is. So here we've got our old disc and our new brake disc. You'll know when you've got to change your disc because you'll start to get a quite large lip around the edge of it, and it'll have pitting in it, and it just looks disgusting basically. And this is Brembo, so now you want to just slide your new brake disc on. Oh, look at that, so fresh and so shiny. I'm just going to put a little bit of copper grease on these retaining screws just because they're just rank. Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So once you've put your new brake disc on, you want to put your caliper back on, do your 18mm nuts bolts up again. We took the old brake pads out whilst the caliper was off just to make life easier for ourselves. And now we've just slipped the back one in and done the caliper back up. So now we're going to undo these two 12mm bolts. So now we've taken the bottom 12mm bolt out and loosened off the top one. You want to flap your caliper up. You're going to want to put a little bit of copper grease on each little nib of your brake pads. Ooh. Did say a little bit. Leave it. All or nothing, bro. Crack your back one into place. Put a little bit of copper grease on your front ones. Pretty. You want to slot your front ones in. Before you're going to be able to slide your caliper back over your new brake pads, you're going to want to get a big pair of grips and this big circle thing, to put it in an easy way, is your piston. And you're just going to want to put some grips over the front of the piston and the back of the piston and just squeeze it to reset it. All the way back slowly. Now that's reset back all the way. And if your piston is a little stiff or seized, you're going to need a new caliper basically. But luckily, ours are decent. And now, like a glove. caliper back in position. You can wind your bottom 12mm bolt back in. Should slot in nice and easily. And then you're ready to tighten everything back up, and you're rocking and rolling on that one. Then you can crack on with the next side. Once you've tightened your 12mm up, go ahead get on there, mate, and tighten your 18mm up.
I actually hate the English weather. We're both soaked.
But we persevered, we managed to get the Brembo brake disc and pads on, and they look mad. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.